What's up, Internet? My name is Jaytee and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'll be teaching you guys another song to play on the ukulele. But before that, gusto ko lang talaga magpasalamat sa inyong lahat. Thank you sa lahat ng mga nanonood ng mga videos ko, sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa channel na to, sa mga kaibigan ko, at sa mga naging kaibigan ko dahil sa channel na to. Hindi ko talaga inasahan na aabot tayo sa ganito kasi nung una trip-trip lang tong channel ko. But then again, yeah, 40,000 subscribers na tayo, guys, and I wouldn't reach this milestone without all of you. So, ayan, thank you so much sa inyong lahat. And of course, bago natin simulan yung tutorial na to, shoutout muna tayo. And by the way, yung mga i-mention ko ngayon ay sila yung mga nag-comment doon sa previous na tutorial ko, which is the Officially Missing You ni Tamia. So, ayun. Shoutout kay Frances Rysel, kay Joy Santa Ana, Pinwell Ampil, Judel Tolentino, Chela Lising, Kristen Joyce, kay Britney Jane Campo, kay Lance Ignacio, and lastly, shoutout kay Francine Kimberly Cruz. Ayan, thank you so much sa inyong lahat. And kung gusto nyong ma-mention sa next video, i-comment nyo yung mga pangalan nyo sa comment section below. So, ang haba na ng intro natin. So, without further much ado, grab your ukulele because today I'm gonna teach you how to play With a Smile by Eraserheads. So, by the way, the ukulele that I will be using for this tutorial is the Beachman ukulele. This is a waterproof ukulele in the concert size, and this is from Clifton Guitars. Available na po ito sa official stores nila sa Lazada and sa Shopee. And I have a discount code right here. So, if you will enter that code, sa Shopee lang po ito applicable, so magkakaroon kayo ng 100 pesos na discount. So for this tutorial, you may not use a capo or you may use a capo, but in my case, I will be using a capo and I will be clipping it on the 3rd fret. Well, depende naman yun sa preference nyo. Yung purpose ng capo is just to transpose the song in a different pitch, so you can sing the song in a different key. Ayan. Okay. So, for the first part of the song, yung mga chords natin ay super basic lang. We have the chord of G, A minor, B minor 7. So, you can clip the entire 2nd fret using your index finger or your middle finger. Ayan. Tapos, lastly, we have the chord of D. And then, yung strumming pattern natin is super basic lang din and super common sa mga tutorials ko. And it is a down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. So, let's take a closer look with this strumming pattern. So, magiging ganito siya. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. So, in strumming yung ukulele, ito lang yung ginagawa ko. Parang yung index finger ko yung ginagawa kong pick. So, in strumming the down strums, ito yung ginagamit ko yung kuko ng index finger ko. And then, in the up strums, I'm using this thumbnail. Okay? So, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so balik tayo. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. So, ganun lang yung strumming pattern natin. So, the first part of this song should sound like this. 1, 2, 3, go. Lift your head, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You'll get by. Ayan. So, after nun is the second part of this song. So, for the next part of this song, yung baby, you don't have to worry na line, ganun. Yung first chord natin dyan is a B flat. Ayan. Aray ko bes. So, you have to clip these 2 strings right here using your index finger and then move your middle finger right here and 4th finger. Ayan. Basta, ayan, B flat or A sharp. A sharp siya sa guitar, pero B flat siya sa ukulele, but those chords are the same lang. And then, we have B flat, E flat or D sharp. Ayan, sorry mga bes. E flat pala. So, index, middle, 4th. Okay, and then, lastly, very common chord lang, D. 1, 2, 3. So, again, B flat, E flat, and then D. Tapos yung strumming pattern natin is the same pa rin. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Okay? So, sa mga beginner na nanonood dyan, so, dahan-dahan muna tayo. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. Yung pagsa-strum, parang hindi nyo to ginagalaw. Ito lang. Ayan, yung wrist nyo. Okay? So, kung nakikita nyo, ayan, parang ganun lang. Tapos, chill lang kayo, guys. Huwag kayong parang ganun na ganun. Ito lang. Down, down, up, down, up. Okay? Ayan. So, balik tayo dyan sa verse 1. Baby, you don't have to worry, 'cause there ain't no need to hurry. No one ever said that there's an easy way. When they're closing all the doors and they don't want you anymore. This sounds funny, but I'll say it anyway. Ayan. So, for the last chord, we have the chord of D. So, you just have to strum once. But I'll say it anyway. Tapos, yun. So, dito na tayo sa third part, which is the second chorus. So, yung mga chords natin doon, same lang siya sa chorus 1, G, A minor, B-7 and D, and then also the strumming pattern is the same. So, that strumming pattern will be used for the entire parts of the song. Ayan. Okay? So, ayan. Sa chorus 2 natin, girl, I stay through the bad times, even if I have to fetch you every day. I get by if you smile. You can never be too happy in this life. Ayan. So, that is for the second chorus. So, diba, same lang talaga yung verse, yung chorus 1 and then yung chorus 2. Same chords, same strumming pattern. Yung naiba lang is yung lyrics, of course. And then, ayun. So, let's move on to the next part. So, andito na tayo sa second verse of the song. So, kung ano yung ginawa natin kanina sa verse 1, yun din yung gagawin natin sa verse 2. So, ayun. Same strumming pattern pa rin, guys. Down, down, up, down, up. Ayan. Same chords. Practice muna tayo. Ayan. So, tapos sa last chord. Last chord natin, just strum once. Ayan. So, let's try to sing the verse 2. 2, 3, go. In a world where everybody hates a happy ending story, it's a wonder love can make this world go round. And don't let it bring you down and turn face into a frown. You get along with the prayer and the song. Basta ayun na siya, guys. Tapos, let's move on to the bridge. So, for the bridge, ito yung part na ganon. Yun yung part na yun, okay? Tapos, yung strumming pattern natin is still the same. Down, down, up, down, up. So, walang variation of strumming patterns for this tutorial. And then, yung chord progression natin is G, A minor, B-7, A minor, and D. So, ayan. Demo ko muna siya. 2, 3, go. Let me hear you sing it. So, that is for the bridge. So, for the first chord, we have the chord of G. Aray ko, bes. So, strum once. No, use this strumming pattern once per chord. So, down, down, up, down, up. Tapos, lipat ka agad sa A minor. Down, down, up, down, up. D minor 7. Tapos sa A minor, 'di ba, yung strumming pattern natin is down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. So for the first 2 down strums, you can ito yung sa A minor. Down, down. So ayan tayo sa pangalawang A minor, tapos after that one is the chord of D. So yun yung sa up, 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 down, up, down, up. Okay? So sa A minor, down, down. Tapos sa up, 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 down, up, down, up. Dapat nakalipat ka na sa D. Up, 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 down, up, down, up. Tapos balik naman tayo. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down. Up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down. Up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down. Up, 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 down, up, down, up. Okay? So that is for the bridge. So after the bridge, i-repeat mo lang yung verse 2, and then after the verse 2 is the outro. Tapos yung outro is the same lang siya sa bridge. Hey guys! So thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're interested to watch my latest ukulele cover or tutorials, you may click the video right here. And if you're interested to watch my latest vlogs, you may click the video right there. And I'll see you guys on my next video, and make sure to subscribe.